Morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, January 21, and it is Harvest Day at my church. So I am super tired. That's the first thing. I'm really tired. I got up at 6 o'clock. I woke up at 5, but I was so tired. I said, no, I have to try and get some more rest in. So I went back to sleep. So I got up at 6 o'clock. So I just came from the bathroom and I'm gonna walk you through the number of things I have to do now in preparation for church today. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is I have to put back the place together. So last night Denver mopped out the house and everything because we were on the road for most of the day, so we didn't get a lot of the things done. So Denver mopped out the house, but the chairs are out of place and everything, so I have that to sort out. Next thing is I need to prepare the gifts for the kids to march with. So I bought some market items. I'm gonna just try to put together a little package. I have some gift paper from before, so I'm gonna try and use those to just wrap something for them and give them a little gift to march with for church. Because if you don't know, each member of the Sunday school marches with a little gift for harvest. So I'm gonna try to capture as much content for you as I can today without being too distracted. So like the march and so on, I will be able to capture, not the entire service, but the service will be on YouTube as well. So you can always go and check out the church's YouTube channel. So that's one, and that's the Brownstone Baptist Church. The next thing that I have to do after this is that I have to comb Deja's hair. So I'm gonna wake her up. After a while, I'm still trying to figure out, Mom only got 2 dishes. So we got these 2 plates that we can put the little stuff in and then wrap it. Still trying to figure out which other plate I'm gonna use for Nate or how I'm gonna fix it up for him. I don't know yet, but I will work that out. So that's it for now. Those are the main priorities. Mom is assisting with the ironing, so she just started ironing the boys' clothes. So I'm just gonna start on those things, but I have to get to church for 9 o'clock today. So even though the children don't need to be at church for 9, I am going to try to just take them with me because I have to lead a prayer meeting at 9 o'clock for the children. So our Sunday school meets and prays for the children and so on. So I'm gonna for half an hour. So I need to be there at 9 o'clock for that. So I'm gonna try to get everything and everybody ready for 9. I also have choir ministry today. So there's that. So the kids have to sit in their Sunday school classes based on how they march. And what else has changed for today? That's it for now, but I'll take you along. So I'll try to capture as much as I can for you. And it's 2 services today. So we have one. So I go for 9 and then I go again in the evening at either 6 or 6:30. So I'll try to capture that. But it's gonna be a long day and I'm already tired. So you can only imagine. So I'll see what I can show you. I've said that like 100 times, but that's it for now. Okay guys, so I have 2 things I wanted to show you. One, I've been telling you that I'm feeling so tired. Someone bought these for me yesterday. One of my followers on TikTok had recommended that I get Pharmaton. But when I asked Mom to go by the pharmacy, and when I see the amount of money for the Pharmaton, when I hear the amount of money for the Pharmaton, look at this, the girl sucking her finger. But everybody else is asleep, guys. Only me and Mom up. But yes, 2 things I'm showing you. Mom got these for me. That's one. So I'm going to start taking these because honestly, I feel run down. 2 is these bubbles. Like, Deja bubbles, them just knot up. So Mom was trying to go through with the scissors and cut out some of the old, cut up the knots and get out some of the better ones. But it triggered a memory, and I don't know if Mom remembers this. Mom, do you remember what I'm going to say?
That when you were small And we had the bundle of bubbles like those. I think it was mainly like blue because I went to Neighborly. And I told myself that if I can
Pull
pull
out.
out these bubbles, then life would have changed for me.
Well, it wasn't just you never tell yourself, you said it to us.
Mm-hmm.
I remember you saying that.
Yeah,
So
man, if
that is
you
what
pull out,
triggered a while ago.
yes, man, if
So,
you pull out
so
these.
I'm setting that challenge for myself as well. Oh my, may I wake up Deja with my noise. That if I can pull these out, well, me not gonna even take it on. Mom, you can take the challenge, because honestly, me can't take on no more. But mom is ironing for me, and I'm so grateful. I was just telling her that nobody can understand how grateful I am to her. Nobody. I don't think it's possible to even put it into words. Can you imagine the amount of help what may I get? No, sir. If mom never there and I do this now, you know, say I'm me or Denver have to do all of this. Right now, poor Denver. Tired. So till he work like a cow yesterday. A cow, mom? Work like a horse. Yesterday, him cut the yard. He make one garbage bin, which me need for show now, by the way, because I haven't even looked at it properly. So I'm going to go look at it. So this is the garbage bin that he made, and I am so impressed. But it's not a bin. It's just like when we have garbage, usually we would be like we take out stuff out of all the bathrooms and the kitchen and wherever, and we put them out in the garage for when we're going out. So instead of just putting them down waiting, he made this so that we can put them in. But boy, me just have to love my husband. Me just have to love him. Me not tell no lie. These things are just always so thoughtful and just so needed, so necessary. Like you never know you need it until he did it. So I'm so grateful for this. Anyways, I'm gonna sort out the gifts now for the kids to march with for church. Good morning, princess. Mommy woke you up with the noise.
Yes, Mommy.
I'm so sorry your pajama is on backwards though. The picture should be at the front, but we have your hair to comb, so it's good that you're awake. And guess what? We're gonna wrap the gifts. Oh, by the way, guys, I did put away the chairs and stuff. Come, Deja, we're gonna wrap the gifts now for you to march with for harvest, so you can help me with that, okay? And then we do your hair. All right, let's go brush your teeth. So now DJ is awake too. So basically the only two persons sleeping in the house are Denvia and Nate. But I'm coming back to this one project because it is taking me so long. So I got this bit of cardboard and I'm gonna cut out a little circle and I'm gonna just wrap it with foil paper and put the stuff on it. Maybe I don't even wrap it. I'm gonna see how it looks. It's alright. Alright. So mom can't help herself. Mom loves these things, you know, so she put down the iron and come. So
What's iron?
what's an iron? She was ironing. That's
Get some
iron.
others.
Alright, so I'm gonna show you how this turns out, guys. We're just too busy, mom. Everybody too busy.
I'm not busy. But I can't.
Hold on, mom. Let me do a video.
I want to.
So I never use the plastic plate to draw the circle. I take down one glass plate. Eh? Do you think me just a trouble you? It's just weird. A steel circle. I think the edges would be rough. The gift papers that we have are not really appropriate for the occasion. One of them look Christmassy and one looks babyish. But we have to use what we have. You're right. Alright, so this is it. So which side will I use? The white part? You can use this, so no matter. Alright, so I'm gonna package these and show you.
Why don't you write my last name?
No, because I wrote DJ F on this, that's for DJ, and I wrote Dejanel on this one.
And L.
DAEJANEL.
But how do you
Alright,
spell
go
DJ
video.
name?
I just wrote DJF. I'm gonna put this one note on it. So I'm gonna wrap it with foil paper. Alright, so let's share up. I want to give back to God. Deja, you go you finish brushing? So go put up your toothbrush, baby.
Okay, I went round and round first, and then up and down, round and round again, and,
Very good.
and then brush tongue.
I think you are one of the children who brushes the best in this house.
Yes.
Yes, you always put so much effort into making sure you brush nicely,
Okay, mommy.
which is good. Good job.
Yeah. Yeah.
DJ, you finished getting the angers of your mom? Go get more, and did you brush?
No.
Go brush. Don't let me have to talk to you about it again.
I did the pills, mommy.
Yes, my pills, baby.
And grandma's too.
No, well, I don't know if grandma's gonna take some out of it. Alright.
But I don't know either.
Go put up your toothbrush.
I'm
princess.
not a
Do you
carrot.
know who was eating this pink ticky and left it
It's not me.
in the room?
It's not me.
Who was it then?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll see about that. Sounds like them there's a way. Underneath is sleeping. Denisha, go put on your toothbrush, please.
I
Alright.
didn't eat it, but I want to eat it right now.
You are the one who had it.
Potato. Potato.
This one looks like it's ever too small.
Onion. 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 Onion.
Alright, so this is how they look. This is how everything looks. I'm gonna try and wrap them now. Okay, so this paper is very Christmassy, but I'm gonna use it nonetheless. So I'm trying to find I want to make sure that there's enough space. For it to meet. So but at the same time I want to make sure I have enough for free. You want to help me with that?
think the reason why the scissors is not cutting as fast is because it's crumbly.
Yeah, definitely.
And the scissors is not cutting in just a straight line.
Alright, so get one of those little things.
Lord, where? These?
Yeah.
I want. There's
This
something.
one is yours.
Okay, then I'll take up both of the red ones.
Maybe I put too much. I think I cut too much on this one.
I'll take both of the orange ones because my plate is orange. There's a plate to both.
Oh, you come in.
But mommy, this plate has on my name.
No.
What?
Check. It's at the bottom.
It says BJS.
Okay.
This says mate.
No.
Let's see.
I changed it over. I put Deja on mine. Deja needs something more sturdy. Make it older. He's better able to manage the
It's gotta get cardboard. Cardboard can barely even break.
No, it won't break. It's just that he is more able to sustain that. He can hold it properly. Deja can't hold it properly. I can't give the two bigger ones the plate and give the baby the cardboard. She can't manage the
That
cardboard.
was just not as smart.
So I switched it around. You like it, Deja?
Yes.
I don't think I have enough paper though.
Christmas wraps.
It's Christmassy, but I don't have any other choice right now. I don't think I have enough paper.
Just cut right here.
No, cut right here.
Or
Where the
maybe I
line
could cut
Or
it
cut
this
it right
direction. I wonder if I
Cut
could
it right
that
here.
way.
No,
No,
cut
I'm
it
not-
right here.
Hold on, Deja. Hold on, Deja. I have an idea.
Sidewards.
Diagonally. I'm going to try this way. And hopefully,
Diagonally.
diagonally.
Diagonal. I never knew that you were recording. But it's okay.
I'm recording you without your consent.
It's okay.
Oh no, wait, Deja.
She cut open the Christmas hat. Santa Claus is gonna be so mad at her.
No, sometimes this wrap.
I'm free.
She cut off my Christmas hat.
Let me see.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, put that down, okay?
No.
Put it up, put it back.
Not playing time now, guys.
Let me show you.
Not playing
It's
time.
right here. And here too. And here.
Why did mommy even do this diagonally?
Because I need to ensure that it holds.
Who? My chicken and chips.
Remember that you said I'm recording, so nobody with the extra noises.
Stop rolling.
Why?
Stand up.
I'm gonna just cut off a little more of this. Alright, so for this one now,
That's me.
should I wrap it with foil paper first?
Yes.
I think you should wrap it. Just wrap it with it. I
No,
risk it for a
Mommy.
biscuit.
Mommy, can you please put it on this way? But not on this way.
1, 2, 5, my shoes.
We're gonna have to probably cut off.
More, 4, 6, Nike kicks. Bro, that's insane.
CJ. How come we do not eat on nice?
Okay, we have. Oh, hey.
Shush your moles. Oh. Oh my god.
Alright, I'm just gonna pause. You guys are not being helpful. You're just being noisy. So if all you can do is make noise, I don't need your company.
Mommy, there's no more.
So should
Leave it alone.
So should I put the things on here now? Because it will cover this part.
Yes, Mom. No, that part's crumpled.
Yeah, but it's gonna cover it, look. Like if I put it like this, it doesn't show the crumpled part. It's gonna cover it. You see?
Yeah. But if you turn it on the other side, it will just be flat.
Hmm? What
comes of bell peppers?
Bell peppers. I want one.
Deja, don't touch it.
Deja, give this to me. This is
want-
hot pepper.
I want bell peppers.
This one is bell peppers, Deja. This one. Alright.
I finally realized why it's called bell peppers.
How does this look now? Morning, Nate.
It looks delicious.
Nate, I'm switching. I was gonna give you the dish origin, the plate origin. Well, Mom was gonna give you the plate originally, but I think you're better able to manage this. You're older.
Stop,
This
Deja.
is firmer. But not firmer. You are able to hold it firmer. Okay? So I switched it.
Deja, could you please stop the plane?
I see.
What happened today? Didn't I tell you to save your London money and buy something for harvest?
Oh,
Huh? You are able to go buy, so you have the money to buy?
You're never gonna catch me.
Okay. You think so? DJ, Jesus. Alright.
I said,
So I'm going to run DJ and Deja a while ago. So put me some noise someone. There's a sound of children noisy. Anyone. But there's a noise there not normal. I don't think needed noises of growing up. And me wanna struggle with this level of noise in my house. Alright guys, so this is what the final thing looks like. So I know it's Christmas paper and everything, but this is the best I could do. So as long as they're giving something, then I'm okay. Well, something that I think is good enough. And this I believe is good enough. So I'm done with this. I'm moving on to Deja's hair now. Alright, so I'm packing the lunch kit for the kids for church. And then I'm going to comb Deja's hair.
DJ.
there you
So
go.
packing 2 snacks each for them.
Water.
2 juices. And 2 bottles of water. Why are you putting the kit in here, Deja? Are you going to eat the kit today?
Yes.
DJ, give me another bottle of water. I know it's time to comb Deja's hair.
I got.
So Deja's grandma bought her new bubbles and new clips. So
Can I open them now, Mommy?
yes, you can open them. And ribbons. So I'm gonna try to use these and show you the finished look shortly. Alright, so this is what the finished product looks like for Deja. This is her hairstyle. I'm just putting in her clips. And as I said, Mom bought ribbons as well.
Can you put in the ribbon?
I am going to put it in Deja. Just give me a minute.
I cleared the ribbon.
Where should I put these ribbons? At
To
the
the
top
side.
here? To the side? Oh, so I'm going to too big for the side. I'm going to put them up here. So
Where?
here, so
Them the two near there, yeah.
you will see. If I put them, let's try it and see. If I put them to the side, Mom, I'm going to go too big. I'm going to come down on our face side here, so. Deja said these don't have on the, Deja said these don't have on the silky part for her to use to suck her finger.
Where alphabet? Where number one?
We're alphabets. We're
Yeah,
Can you put
let's see.
what I, what I, what I.
No, you don't have.
Good job. All right. Hold on, DJ. Just a second. Go pack them away now.
Okay.
It may be too near up our front to chew, but I don't know. It's definitely too near up our front, Mom. So I'm gonna try it at the side and see.
Let me tell you, I have 3 daughters. You're one.
Alright, okay. This is Neil. I just didn't want it to be in her face. But let's see if this works better. Guys, so Denver is making breakfast. And the kitchen is smelling of pepper. Lots of pepper. And he's looking at me like, why am I talking about him?
Oh, that's not for breakfast. Bring that this week.
Alright, so guys, oh Deja, we need 2 more clips. 2 more white clips, Deja.
Praise the Lord.
This is the finished
Yeah,
look.
so
I'm not sure I like how the ribbon is down in her face. Mom, look at this. I like how the ribbon come down in her face over here. So, but Deja, do you like it?
Yeah.
Did you see it? Look again, look. Did you see it? So I just took out the clothes for the kids. They're now having their shower and we're gonna start getting dressed. Okay, so it's now breakfast time. Kids are showered and they're having their breakfast. Next step is to learn their memory verses and leave. Okay guys, so this is what the church looks like. So I'm at church a bit early because as I said, we have the prayer meeting at 9 o'clock. This is what the church looks like. This is how it's decorated. So in addition to what is here, when the gifts come in, everybody will march with their gift and they will stack them up on the podium. But this is what the church looks like when it's fully decorated. Alright, so we just finished our prayer meeting and it's time for Sunday school.
We are going to continue by singing. We are marching in the light of God. We are marching in the
to take it off. Okay guys, so we're home from church. I just stopped to get a few items for myself to march later, because in the afternoon service we have the members march. So I'm gonna find a way to put this together nicely, and I will show you what the members march looks like in the evening service. Alright guys, so I have decided on how I'm going to do my gift. So I just put it together like this. And I have this paper, this leftover gift paper. So I'm just going to tie it up similar to how I did the boys on this morning. So I don't even know if I'm supposed to mark it something today, because I'll be on the choir again. But if anything while I'm going in, I'll put it on, because this is a members march. But because this is my first year on the senior choir for Harvest, I don't know if they normally march or if they just go up and sing for the other people to march. But I'm still gonna walk with this. So, sorry, I'm cooking at the same time, so my pot was boiling over. I need to wash the rice to put into the peas. But I'm making dinner. I'm gonna fix this up, and then we're gonna get ready to go back out to church at 6:30. So I have 2 things on the stove now. I just came back from off the road. Brought mom to put her on a bus for Ochi. So she's going to go visit my sister and carry some stuff for her. So that's it for now.